Do you ever feel like your income is stuck on a weird yo-yo? You have a great month, you make more money, and then bam! Surprise expenses just show up out of nowhere. By the end of the month, you're right back where you started. Sometimes even a little behind. Right? You get a bonus at work, a bigger commission check, a tax refund, maybe even some birthday money from your grandma, and suddenly your car decides it needs a new transmission. The fridge dies. A friend absolutely needs to borrow money. Or worse, a family member gets a medical bill and you have to step in. Look, that's not random. It's not just bad luck. That's your financial thermostat at work. It's this hidden pattern that controls your money. And yeah, it maps perfectly to how the law of attraction plays out in your finances. So, our job here, together, is to find that thermostat in your mind and reset it. When you set it for surplus, man, your whole life changes. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to find and reprogram your financial thermostat, so you can finally break through to real, lasting prosperity. Let's get into it. So, what is a financial thermostat? Alright, quick question for you, and be honest. If your bank account suddenly jumped by $10,000 tomorrow, how long would it really take for that money to just disappear? And for things to get back to normal? A month? A couple of weeks? If your answer is not long, your problem isn't just about discipline. It's that your internal set point is literally pulling you back to what feels safe and familiar. Think about it like a home thermostat. You set it to 72 degrees. If it gets too hot, the AC kicks on. If it gets too cold, the heat kicks on. The system is always working to keep you at 72. Your money works the exact same way. If your internal normal is, say, $2,000 a month, you could have an amazing $6,000 a month. But then, all those weird unconscious habits start kicking in. Right? The little impulse buys, putting off that big opportunity, making rush decisions, and before you know it, you're pulled right back down toward $2,000. And on the flip side, when your income dips below that set point, you feel that cold, that anxiety, and you start hustling like crazy until you're back at your old level. That set point comes from everything: your childhood, the money stories your parents told you. It's your inner money map. Most people are stuck simply because they don't even know this invisible thermostat exists. So today, we're going to fix that. It's time to find your remote control and reset this thing. Okay, so how do we actually do this? You want $5,000, maybe $8,000 a month to feel normal, but every time you get close, you snap back. Trust me, you are not alone. So many people live in this weird loop. Income goes up, but the bank balance stays the same. You pay off a credit card, and a new debt shows up. You finally build a little savings cushion, and the car breaks down, or some too good to pass up deal appears. That's the thermostat, and it's just doing its job. The good news? You can be the programmer. You can change the code. Here are the 4 steps. Step 1. Awareness. Find your current number. First things first, and this is the most important one. You got to be real with yourself. What's your set point right now? Look at your average monthly income, the level that just feels normal. The number where, if you go above it, you start getting a little loose with your spending. And if you drop below it, you start to panic and grind until you're back. Pause this video if you have to. Grab a notebook and write that number down. No judgment. Zero judgment. This is just data. Awareness is the first step to freedom. Step 2. Detach and rewrite. Update your money story. Alright, you got your number? Good. That thermostat was built on a foundation of old, dusty beliefs? Probably beliefs you didn't even choose. So your next mission is to list every negative money belief you can think of. Then, right next to it, rewrite it into a belief that actually serves you. A belief you want to be true. For example, instead of "rich people are greedy," rewrite it to I can be wealthy and generous. Money is a powerful tool to help my family and community. Instead of making money is so hard. Rewrite it to, money flows to me easily and consistently, often from unexpected sources. Instead of, to be rich, I have to sacrifice my health and family. Rewrite it to, I build sustainable wealth while honoring my health, my relationships, and my peace of mind. You see how that feels different? You're literally giving your brain a new script to read from. Step 3. Set a new target and visualize. Install the new program. Okay, now for the fun part. Pick a new monthly income. It should stretch you, but still feel believable to a part of your brain. If your current set point is $2,000, maybe you aim for $4,000 or $5,000. Now, and we have to install it. Every single day for 5 to 10 minutes. Close your eyes and feel what life is like at that new level. Don't just think about it. Feel it. See yourself logging into your bank account and smiling. Feel the ease of paying all your bills early. Imagine the joy of buying your parents a truly meaningful gift. Just because you can. The more real you make it feel, the faster your subconscious mind accepts it as the new reality. And then finish by anchoring it. Say it out loud. $10,000 a month is my new normal. Let your body feel the calm and the freedom in that statement. You have to be it before you see it. Identity first, income follows. Step 4. Act and expand your comfort zone. Make it real. Mindset is half the battle. Now comes the action. This is where the rubber meets the road. To prove to your brain that you're serious about this new thermostat setting, you have to start acting like the person who already lives at that level. Remember this. Where your focus goes, energy flows. Where your vision goes, the money follows. Start small, but you have to start. Read. Just one chapter a day from a book on finance, investing, or personal growth. Learn. Start developing one new skill that can directly increase your earning power. Connect. Spend time with people who are playing a bigger game than you are. Absorb their mindset, their habits. It's contagious. And of course, keep following this Law of Attraction series right here on the Success Code. I'm going to be walking with you, step by step, on this journey to financial freedom, so make sure you're subscribed. So let's bring it all home. You know why a huge percentage of lottery winners go broke within a few years? It's not because they're stupid or unlucky. It's because their financial thermostat was set for, say, $40,000 a year, much worse, and they suddenly got hit with $10 million. That warm air rushed in, and their internal system freaked out and cranked the AC all the way up. That AC looks like reckless spending, bad investments, toxic relationships, and boom, right back to zero. But here's the amazing news. You get to program your thermostat on purpose. This isn't an overnight fix. It's a process. But it is 100% within your control. You're not a victim of your circumstances. You are the architect of your financial reality. So, let's lock in those 4 steps. 1. Know your number. 2. Rewrite your old money stories. 3. Visualize and feel your new reality. 4. Take consistent action. All right, your homework, starting right now. The second this video ends, grab that notebook and do step 1. Write down your current financial thermostat number. That's it. Just start there. Be honest with yourself. If this video helped you have a little aha moment, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. Share it with a friend who might need to hear this. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video in our money series. Thank you for always following and supporting the Success Code. To make sure you never miss new content, click the round subscribe button in the center of the screen, or choose the next video on the left or right. See you in the next one.